Hello crafters, this is TrendTube. Today we are going to see a super easy, amazing DIY photo board. So without wasting time, let's get started with the tutorial. Things you need: old artwork ring, stones, paper clips, glue, paint, scissor, brush, woolen thread. I just painted it with red color. You can paint it with your favorite color. Then I am going to tie woolen thread to it. Totally I am going to tie 3 threads. After finishing it will look like this. Then I am going to add gold stones to it. Photo board is ready. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Keep crafting.